White smoke billowing from your exhaust when you hit the gas pedal? Don't panic, but don't ignore it either. I'm Dan, and today we're breaking down the 5 most common causes of white smoke during acceleration, from harmless to engine-threatening. Let's dive in. First up, the good news scenario. If you're seeing white smoke only when you first start your car, especially on cold mornings, this is likely just condensation. When your car sits overnight, moisture builds up inside the exhaust system. As you start driving and the exhaust heats up, this moisture turns to steam and exits as white vapor. The key here is timing. This white smoke should disappear within a few minutes once your engine warms up. If it persists after your engine reaches operating temperature, or if it's thick and billowing, you've got a real problem on your hands. Next, turbocharger seal failures. This is especially common in turbocharged engines, both gas and diesel. When the seals inside your turbo fail, they can leak oil or coolant into the exhaust system. During acceleration, when your turbo spools up and creates more pressure, this leaked fluid burns off as white smoke. Signs to watch for include oil spots under your car after driving, a noticeable decrease in power, and white smoke that gets worse under load. Turbo seal failures require immediate attention because they can quickly destroy your turbocharger, leading to expensive repairs. Now for the big one, blown head gasket or coolant system failures. This is the most serious cause on our list. When your head gasket fails, coolant leaks into the combustion chamber. During acceleration, increased engine pressure forces more coolant into the cylinders, creating thick white smoke with a distinct sweet smell. Other warning signs include engine overheating, milky oil on your dipstick, and bubbles in your radiator. Head gasket repairs can cost thousands of dollars. So catching this early is crucial. If you suspect a blown head gasket, stop driving immediately and call a mechanic. Fuel injection problems are another common culprit, especially in diesel engines. When your fuel injectors are clogged, damaged, or have incorrect timing, they can't deliver fuel properly to the combustion chamber. This leads to incomplete combustion and unburned fuel being expelled as white smoke. You might also notice rough idling, reduced power, poor fuel economy, and a raw fuel smell from the exhaust. Clogged fuel filters can cause similar symptoms by restricting fuel flow. The good news is that fuel injection problems are often fixable with cleaning or replacement of the affected components. Finally, for diesel owners, EGR and DPF issues can cause white smoke. A failing EGR cooler can leak coolant into the intake system, while DPF regeneration problems can cause unburned fuel to exit as white smoke. If your EGR cooler is leaking, you'll see white smoke with a sweet coolant smell. DPF issues typically occur during regeneration cycles and may be accompanied by unusual engine behavior or warning lights on your dashboard. So there you have it, 5 causes of white smoke during acceleration, from harmless condensation to serious engine damage. Remember, if the smoke persists after warm-up, gets worse under acceleration, or comes with a sweet smell, get to a mechanic immediately. The key is knowing the difference between normal condensation and a real problem. When in doubt, it's always better to be safe than sorry with a potentially expensive engine repair. That's all for today's breakdown. If this helped you diagnose your white smoke issue, hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive troubleshooting content. Until next time, keep your engines running clean.